Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel. So about 2 weeks ago I started organising the first modification for my 2023 Suzuki Jimny. I have ordered the Rhino Rack Overlanding flat rack for the roof of my car. So getting that on board will help to get out and go camping a little bit more, just because it's really hard to pack in the back of the car given the size of them. So I've just received a call from the UV 4x4 guys that my rack has arrived. So come along with me and I'm going to head down to pick it up, and then we'll get ready to start putting it on my car. With my roof rack. So now we're just going to spend a bit of time, we're going to put it together. So I'm going to do a time lapse of us putting this one together, and then we're going to pop it on the roof, and yeah, we'll be all good to go from there. We'll be able to organise some cool camping trips from this point forward. Now that I've got the roof rack, I'll be able to pop like a tent and a swag up there to go out more and do some more stuff, which would be awesome. Process of it. It's just got a little bit too dark outside to pop it on the roof tonight, so we'll come back tomorrow and do that one. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. It was actually super simple to put together. Thankfully Rhino Rack are really smart and they actually provide everything in the box that you need, unlike some other companies, so that made it 10 times easier to put the whole thing together. But this is the finished product, so I'm super happy with how it's turned out. Like I said, we'll put it on the car tomorrow and we'll show you guys the finished product. Alrighty, we are back on the second day of installing the roof rack on my car. We're just going to give it a quick wash just to make sure that we've got a clean slate that we're working with, and then once the car is washed and dried, we're going to get to installing the new roof rack on it. washing the car, and we've got the roof rack out here, and we're about to get that one ready, and we're going to pop it on the car and get that all completed. Product. I'm super happy with how it turned out. As you can see, it was really easy to bolt onto the top of the car, so it's just got the 4 brackets on each side which all screw in. So yeah, it was really easy to put on, and then if we ever need to take it off in the future, you literally just have to unscrew it again and it'll come off super easy. So I'm super excited for what's to come. I've got heaps of camping trips planned. Now that we've got the roof rack on, I'll be able to get out and about more because I've got better storage for my car. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one when I'm hitting the tracks. As always, if you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and please follow along on my next adventure or on my other socials at Melina_Kate. Thanks guys.